It's dirty. I ride it. I ordered a BBR 132 kit with the cylinder that's coming. This bike runs, but I just kind of want to get a little more something out of it. It's really dirty because I ride it a lot, but I've got some cheap $10 bark busters I'm gonna throw on it. Some red fuel line, because that's one thing we didn't replace the other day when we did the carb. It's got a new uni filter, and the carb's been gone through. Got some new pegs. They're about 30 bucks. Some new grips. I got this shit ass muffler. I'm just gonna start with some of this. Get after. Oh, I'm gonna change the oil. I got some Maxima I'm gonna put in it because it's been 3 or 4 months. If you're wondering, CRF110. Everybody told me it'd bolt right in. They lied. There's one mount I punched. I raised it up instead of down here. Had to cut the frame out. There's another mount. And then the third one I just made out of some freaking flat iron. It's held up for over 3 years, so I'm still good with it. Oh, pretty sweet ATC70. Oh, I've got some spacers coming for it too. So make exhaust off of that CRF110. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take the saw and we're gonna cut her right here and just cut this muffler off. And that's really gonna help with the flow. It's really gonna just improve the flotation, and it's gonna increase the horsepower, and it's just gonna make the flotation a lot better. And I'm fucking up. I got all these, but I forgot. I gotta grab this some bitch with wet paint on it. Move over her. Now, with that high temp coating on my fingers, I don't have to worry about burning them, y'all. That's fucking day one shit. I'm gonna let it run a minute, get the motor good and hot, and then I'm going to change the oil. This door over here. We'll warm this up, put my oil pan down, change the oil, and I got a new cable, a couple new things. Some bitch is bright. A couple new things I'm gonna do to it. So I'm gonna get to work on it, and I'll kind of show you what I'm doing along the way. We're gonna big bore this sumbitch and make it a lot more fun. They asked me if I blew it up. Is that why I was rebuilding it? That look blown up to you, boy? Hell no, it ain't blown up. I just want a little more something. Got the new brake cable, the extended one. Got me the new grip over here, brake lever. There's the cable and everything. I'm about to do it now. Still letting her finish warming up. I got the cable in, I just need to tighten the nut. Now that she's all good and hot. I can't believe that battery's still good, you guys. I've had that thing in there for 3 years. How clean that oil is. Probably didn't need to change it, but you know, I don't let it go too long. There's a little bit of some fractured metal there on the magnetic drain plug, which is always good to see. That's what you want. The line don't leak no more. If you don't have a magnetic drain plug, you've likely got stuff just bouncing around in there once it becomes dislodged, you know. So you want to clean this up as good as possible. Pipe wrap's smoking a little bit. Probably gonna do that for a second. Sound too bad. busted. That'll work. That's just the steam from the pipe I just wrapped. And I washed this thing, so we got water dripping from it and shit. What you gotta say? Speak. Speak. Yeah? Shake hands to me then. What, you wanna chase me? Shake to me then. Well, then shake hands to me. Now shake me. Now shake me. Good girl. Oh, good girl. What, you wanna shake me? Let me rev it up? Would you want me to crack the throttle? That's not a clutch, it's a brake. Stop grabbing the brake.
Oh, dude.
Try dumping her. That's the brake.
No, I was trying to hold it. I didn't expect her to pull
I told you, it comes to quitting the gas.
I'm not trying. Damn, I'm grabbing the brake, dude.
Yeah, but if you're not moving forward, the brake doesn't make a difference.
I was like squeezing my pinky, trying to like
Back
stop.
to it.